2 of the haunted house. Well, now they visited the house and now they're going to start pranking each other. So, yeah. So, guys, I think I just found a secret USB in my this room, but he wouldn't let me. So now it's 9 in the morning. I'm going to try to find it, take it, and look at it. My gosh. No. Found it. This is the USB that I was searching for. Guys, I can't believe I found the USB. I was searching for it for like now. I don't know how many days. It's been like a lot of time. So now let me put this USB in my phone. I need to complete this Roblox game. It took me like 4 days just to make a game. Literally. Well, you better hurry up. Yeah, I know. No need to tell me. I'm going to sis rooms. Can you at least knock on the door instead of just rushing here with no permission? Anyways, just wanted to sit down because I don't have any places in the other room. My gosh. Well, I'm trying to take this USB and put it in my phone. Okay. Pretend she put it in her phone. Finally. Let me just see this. What? Well, thank you, bro. Thank you. Well, bro, I gotta go. I think it's just him playing. Finally finished playing. My friends are really so annoying. I'm so tired. He's calling his friends annoying. Well, yeah, he always do that when he rages on his game. Yeah, of course. Wow. He's calling us dumb. I'm taking out this USB. Okay, now put in this package. Okay. Now, let me just put it back in his room before he realizes. Well, anyways, I'm going to play my game. Oh my gosh. What? There's a lot of information. How am I going to solve that? My gosh. Oh my gosh. What? What is this? Another USB? Why, maybe dangerous. Oh, it's an old one. It looks so cool. Let me try to. No, let me just ask. Let me just ask Ellie. Ellie! Yeah? Come, I found an old USB on your freaking makeup station. Okay, I'm coming. Pretend she just gave back the USB. And yeah, I'm too lazy to go up. Oh my god. This? Oh, that's an old USB. That was my first ever time making a video with this. Oh, cool. I'm just going to watch some TikToks. After. Kids, we're going to a haunted house. You guys should get ready. My god, oh my god, oh my god, okay. Well, kids, we're going to a haunted house. Haunted? I don't want it to be haunted. What's Halloween? Yeah, and also, we also gotta put your two sisters to daycare. So hurry up. Okay. My gosh, this thing is so laggy. Ignore that. Okay. Here are the outfits. Oh my gosh, okay. This is hers. And this in the trash can. This is hers. And just put this in the trash can. Okay. Here's the dad. Mom. That looks so cute. Let me just. And now for the girl, she's going to put this little dress over here. Isn't it so cute? Oh my god. Well, pretend the bro already just got ready. With his little iconic like bracelet. Where is he? That necklace? That necklace is so iconic. That's literally his. Okay. My gosh. Okay. Well, they're all ready. So let's go. By the way, guys. We're going to be. My voice will be sounding like a broken microwave, so don't mind that, okay? Thank you, my gosh. Well, they all got ready. 2 seconds. And also after, they went to the first floor to go to the haunted house. So, yeah, they got off home. Hey, why you put me out of? My hair is soaking wet. Well, here's your unstupid umbrella. Thank you, at least. Huh. Let me just open this. And then they arrived to the haunted house. After they made it to the haunted house, man, it's this door locked. And then, let me just open this. Okay, you can go in. Thank you. Oh my god. Who's next? It's clearly us. Oh damn. What? Who's talking to me? Oh my gosh. It's literally us. We've been waiting an hour and we still haven't gone in the haunted house, bro. Well, I don't know who's talking to me, but I'm just going to listen to some music. Bro, my god. I'm literally freezing cold. I didn't even bring my umbrella. I know, I didn't even know it was raining. Well, now you do. Anyways, they entered the haunted house. Not yet. They just explore outside. My gosh, this place looks so freaking haunted. Well, isn't that why it's called the haunted house again? Oh yeah, I'm kidding. Well, anyways, we entered the haunted house. I'm really scared. Is this place supposed to be like a haunted? Well, yeah, what do you think it is? Yeah. I'm really scared. I don't even think I wanna go. Hang on. I'm really scared. I don't even think I wanna go in. Bro, it's just a haunted house. No one's going to kill you in there. True. 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 Anyways, I guess I have to. Hey, what if we ding dong ditch them? No, don't you dare loud. Don't you dare. Whee! My phone! Come back. I swear, if you jump out my hand again, I'm leaving you outside without the umbrella. No. So give me my phone back, you idiot. Mom, can you please put it in your bag? Okay. Oh my gosh. Hello, who is it? It's... Anyways, did you come to visit the haunted house again? Yes, we did. Here, you can enter. I don't feel like coming again when I get scared. What did you say to my house? Nothing. The last one. Finally, I can take off my umbrella. Wait. Don't dare, don't mess in my house, or we're going to kick you out. Okay, I'm sorry. Just going to take these umbrellas. It's like 5 umbrellas. So you can take care of them, but don't take them. We're literally going to use it after it's still raining outside. Oh gosh. Well, let's go, I guess. I don't think I'm gonna go anymore. I'm too scared. Come on, don't be a scaredy cat. It's just a haunted house. It won't do anything. Bill! Ow, what the hell? That wasn't, that was mean. Why did you come here? To visit, and who are you? Oh, who am I? Oh, I'm the, the Grinch? No. Ugh. Just go. That was so creepy. What the heck? Mom, I don't think I want to do this anymore. This scares me so bad. But what if that bell reaches 10 p.m. or 12 p.m.? What is it going to do? I don't know this type of bells. When it's 12 p.m., it just like makes a big siren sound, and yeah, it's like this type of siren when there's a tornado. Oh, yeah, I'd rather stay home than be here. Let me just... oh my god, I thought it was a real lion. Let me just go here. Oh my god, there's a black cat. Oh my gosh, there's a black cat. Oh my god, there's a frog in there. What do you mean? Oh, hey, cat. What the hell? That is not a cat. And what type of frog is this? Oh, it's so cute. Oh. Huh? Come on, it's nothing. The black cat is kind of like a vampire, but the frog isn't that bad. Well, let's go to the second floor. Okay, thank God there's only 2 floors. I want to get out of here as quick as possible. Okay, I think we're here. I'm scared. I don't want to be here anymore. Ah, what the heck is that? What the heck? Is that a... Oh my god. Hey, wanna play a game with me? What the hell? Oh, Hey, little guy. What? You're scared? No, you just threw out an apple. Oh. Well, let me just stay in place. Weird. Why are creatures scared of me? Oh, there's an owl up there. Hello, owl. You're my little pet bat that I left home. Anyways, Mom, it's nothing. It's just an owl and I guess a man in a costume, you can say. Well, anyways, I am not going first. Yes, you are. Go. Ow! Oh my gosh, there's a frog. Oh my gosh. A frog? Oh, hey. Hey, little guy. What type of frog are you? What the heck? Well, it's just a little weird frog. Ow, stop pushing me. What is this? Oh my gosh, is that a one-eyed cat? Oh my god, oh my gosh. There's a cat with one eye. Oh my gosh. That doesn't even exist. Well, it does now that I saw it. Oh my gosh, she's such a scaredy cat. This cat is so cute. Look at it. You doing good out there? Stay here, bro. Let me just peek out. What the heck? He has the cat. He has the cat. This cat is so cute. I wanna adopt him. Let me just feed you. See? She's not that bad. But it's normal because you're freaking emo. No, he's not going to do anything. Look at it. He's so cute. Let's just go home. This place isn't even that scary. Well, okay, she say. Well, thank you guys for watching the video. This was a really good experience. Make sure to like and subscribe. Click that notification bell for more. And also click the video on the screen for more. And yeah. Whoa, it's snowing outside. Guess it turned out. Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh. Anyways, oh, it's snowing outside. I guess it's our next video. Bye guys. Mom, I wanna go home. I wanna go home. You can go. I didn't say anything. I was just here for the outro. Go. Yes, go. Bye guys. See you when it in the next video, I guess. Peace.